Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this one out. 2027 Grand Design Reflection 32BH. And when it comes to the wow factor, this one's got it. So we have pass-through storage, unobstructed pass-through storage, tandem axle. Wait till you see the outdoor kitchen. And then we also have the stabilizing jacks. And let me open up this outdoor kitchen. So we have a very nice refrigerator and crisper here. Nice drawer here. 2-burner cooktop, sink, 3 deep cabinets. And I'm going to back up and show you this from a perspective. We got some dark clouds off in the distance. But if you're outside and you need to make a meal and it looks like it's going to rain, hi, you darn. You got this covered porch right here, standing tall like Peter and Paul. Then we have this outside storage here, and it's a tall storage, so you can use a fishing rod that breaks down. You could even use a small shovel if you ever had to, dig a fire pit or dig yourself out of a ditch. 2 exterior slides. You can see it's the 100 series. And you can see the stabilizing. So we have the electric stabilizer there. You also have your docking station. We'll get on the inside, and it's equally as nice on the inside. So let's get inside. There's those clouds I was talking about. So this camper is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. There's the 32BH badging. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Any comments and questions, go ahead and leave them below. We'll follow up with you. Nice dining area, flat screen TV, HVAC, ducted HVAC. Then we step into the bunkhouse. That's what the BH stands for. Very nice. Now you'd think these are the steps up, but oh no. I'll show you that in a second. So over here, you have the ladder, and then you have a little bookshelf where kids can store stuff. We have a top bunk that if it's not in use, you fold it up. When in use, you drop it down. This also pulls out very nicely. Nice couch that seats 2 with a center armrest, or 3, right like that. Microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, smaller oven, farmer sink, refrigerator and freezer, as well as cabinets and drawers. Let's go upstairs. So we have a nice sized bathroom and shower, as well as a commode. And then you have your bedroom. So it's already set up with a backer for your TV, HVAC, ducted. And then we have a cabinet, 2 drawers, and a little cubby for your shoes or slippers. Get those out of the way. So any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much again. And again, 2027 Grand Design 32BH. See you.